What is up, you guys? Ayo, it's Lance again on your screen, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how these videos can be made using Filmora 12. My life recently is still an ongoing trend on TikTok. Basically, this type of trend shows recent happenings in your life in the form of video highlights. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make one using Filmora 12, and this is the song that we are going to use. This is a remix of Roses by the Chainsmokers and Dancing Queen by ABBA or ABBA. I don't know how to pronounce it. You guys may correct me on the comment section below. Alright, so without further ado, let's now start. First, you need to import some recent pictures that you took and some short video clips. This song will require us around 40 pictures and approximately 10 to 15 short video clips. But it is still up to you whether you just want to use pictures all throughout the video or just videos all throughout the highlight. The technique to make it look good is to make the pictures change very quickly to make it look like in sync with the beat of the music. Since the music is kind of fast on this one, or the beat is fast, so you just need to make the pictures change from one to another very quick. So you can just adjust it to 0.1 second if you would like to, and just match it with the song or the music. Every time that you will hear the disc scratch, like the song is being cut, provide a space where there is no video or picture being shown. Then, find the next beat, place your clips again one by one until the disc scratches and stops again. Do it for the remaining beats, and when you hear this part where Dancing Queen started, you should now place a video clip until the end. But again, it's still up to you if you would just like to use all pictures just to make it like a picture slideshow. That will be just fine. But for me, I think it's still better to have video clips for the highlights of your life recently. The Dancing Queen song will start around 12 seconds of the music, so you can now add a video clip here. But you can also do this where I place a picture and make it pan and zoom. Note that you don't have to add any transitions here since the song stops very quick for every disc scratch. Don't forget to add the title My Life Recently by adding a simple text, and you could just change the font, the size, the style so that it will stand out. And after that, I am now done placing all the pictures and videos that I need for My Life Recently video highlight. We can now export it, and let's watch the results in 3, 2, 1. That is it for this video. I hope you learned something from this one. Ayo, it's Lance and I'm signing off. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.